don't know what it is, but it is so strange. When I took my net out of the water, I thought I had a big fish. But when I touched that corpse, I went crazy. And I started to chant, Krishna, 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 Krishna. And Swarup Damodar could understand Vivek Mahaprabhu. Let us go see. Show me where is that corpse. And the fisherman said, no, don't approach. He's a very dangerous ghost. But no problem, it's not a ghost. Take us there. It's very, very dangerous. I'm used to ghosts. It's not a normal ghost. I know I'm fishing in the night, so I'm using light and different chanting, also protection mantra like Haram, 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 to protect me from the ghost when I do fishing at night, because fishing at night, there may be some ghost will attack me, so I'm protecting myself like this. But this ghost is so strong and so powerful. When I chant Haram, Haram, he attacks me more and more. So this ghost is very dangerous. Don't go there. Swarup Damodar could understand. No problem. It's not a ghost. He slapped the fisherman, and the fisherman became more quiet and peaceful. And then he asked the fisherman, please take us there. Take us there. This is not a normal ghost. I will see. And then he took Swarup Damodar and his associates, the devotees who were with Swarup Damodar, and they went to the boat, and they saw that it was actually, yes, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he had become so much elongated, all his joints separated, only skin, dead. And it was like a big lump of flesh. And the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was there. So then the devotees started to do Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, 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 Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. So they were making a very loud Sankirtan. They wanted to wake up Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, bring him back to his external consciousness. So then Mahaprabhu started to shiver, and then he immediately came back to consciousness and came back to his original form, beautiful Shyam Sundar, beautiful Gaura Sundar. And then he was surprised. He asked his soul, Swarup Damodar, and asked him, oh, what happened? Why are you waking me up? I was so happy. I was there. I saw Krishna and Srimati Radhika. They were surrounded with their beautiful gopis, and they were dancing the rasa dance. And I was there looking at them. And then Krishna took all the gopis, and he took his very dear Srimati Radhika, and they went to take baths after the fatigue of the rasa dance. To refresh themselves, they went in the Yamuna. So I went with them in the Yamuna. And then they were enjoying so much in the Yamuna, and Krishna was relieving the fatigue of all the gopis from that intense effort of dancing so much during the whole night. And then after bathing in the Yamuna, they went on the sand and on the beach of the Yamuna, and they went under the Kadamba trees and the Tamal trees, under different kunj. And then in one special kunj, Krishna took Srimati Radhika, and they went to rest. And then I saw they were surrounded by their sakis and manjaris, and they all lay down around the bed of Sri Radha and Krishna. And I was seeing all this, and I came also in the kunj and I entered with the manjaris. And I was able also to lay down. But suddenly I heard this terrific sound. You made this tremendous sound, and I was woken up. Why did you woke me up? I was with Radha and Krishna, it was so beautiful. Then Swarup Damodar said, no problem, you will be able to join them again. And Mahaprabhu was like this. This pastime was revealed by Sri Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami in his Chaitanya Charitamrita. In that way, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are revealing that the ecstasy of the service of the Manjaris. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was witnessing directly the pastimes of Radha and Krishna. He was not Srimati Radhika, he was not saying, I am with Krishna. He was saying, Krishna, Srimati Radhika, Lalita, Vishaka, Kinga, Vidya, Champa, Galata, Induleka, Chitra Devi, Sudevi, Ranga Devi, all the Sakis, plus the Manjaris. He was with the Manjaris, and he was seeing himself as a servant there among the Manjaris. So he was revealing that the service of Srimati Radhika as a servant of the gopis, and especially under the guidance of Shri Lalita Devi, is our highest purpose in life, our highest goal. That was revealed by Srila Narayan Swami Maharaj. He was very kind and revealed all this treasure to us. So this is the uniqueness of that beautiful pastimes. And so after having that intense experience in Gambhir, one time happened the time of the Snan Yatra and the Ratha Yatra. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was anticipating so much the time of the Ratha Yatra. But before the Ratha Yatra, there is the Snan Yatra. Snan Yatra, Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra are being bathed, and they become sick. So the devotees there, the pandas, they put Shri Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra in a room, and they are locked. And nobody can have the darshan. They are sick. They have to be cured. So they follow a special diet, special program, no visits. So for Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it was a terrible news and intense separation, because every day he would go to see Shri Jagannath Dev, have the darshan of Jagannath. So it was a terrible situation for Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was feeling so much intense separation. He was feeling separation before in the night, but in the day he would go to see Jagannath Dev. But now it was all day long, and then it was for 15 days, so it was untolerable. So Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, at that occasion, to find some relief, he was coming here to Alarna. And there he was meeting Sri Narayan. Here in that temple, where we cannot visit, Maharaj will explain the beautiful form of Sri Narayan in that temple. Is the four-armed form of Vishnu as Narayan. And Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would come to have darshan of Narayan. He was begging, oh Narayan, please, give me darshan, where is my Krishna? And he was feeling intense separation. Then he would fall on that stone that we had darshan also. And because the fire of separation of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so intense that it melted that stone. All his body was melted in that stone. So this is the significance of that place. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu melting in ecstasy, begging to Sri Narayan, please give me darshan of my Sri Krishna, Shyam Sundar, the divine son of Yashoda. So that's a beautiful place, very ecstatic, and we should beg to have that perfection of serving the servant of Srimati Radhika. Jai Bhavan Shakarpata.
Your mic not working? Oh, very well.
एक पंखा चल रहा है, दूसरा नहीं चल रहा।
वो इंटेंस का है ना
क्या?
वो क्या बोले बैटरी में चल रही है ना। सोलर ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृन्द। So by the practice march of Guru and Gauranga, now we are doing parikrama, Sri Kshetra Mandal parikrama. Now we have come, this place is called Alalnath. Also this place is called the Brahmagiri Parvat. You know, Brahmaji, he also performed hard austerity in this place. Then for this regard, this place is called also Brahmagiri Parvat. Brahma means Brahmaji, Giri means mountain. In this place, and that time that big, very high mountain. On the top of the mountain, Brahmaji, he performed hard austerities. इस स्थान पर ब्रह्माजी ने कठोर तपस्या की. You know, Brahmaji also he had austerities in Varshana, and he manifested in the form of there also mountain and Brahma Parvati is there. When you are used to Brajamandala Parikrama, we are going Varshana. There are two mountains side by side. One is called Brahma Parvat, another is called Vishnu Parvat. And Nandagaon, Lord Shiva also manifested in the form of mountain that is called Nandisar Parvat. Especially Brahmaji, he wants the highest mood of conjugal mood. For this regard, he manifested in the form of mountain. And he prayed to Lord Vishnu, if I take birth in Braj, then my life will be successful. And so Lord also gave blessing. Then he manifested in the form of mountain, and Radha and Krishna, they performed sweet Hermes pastimes on the top of the mountain. That is called Brahma Parvat. In the same way, Kalpa Vedesu Harikatha, Vivinna, different Kalpa, and Brahmaji, he realized that one day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come here. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he comes one day of a Brahma. And so Brahmaji is thinking, and one day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come and I will touch the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the combined form of divine couple Radha and Krishna. And if you worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means you are worshipping Radha and Krishna. And if you worship only Krishna, you cannot worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Brahmaji, in the beginning of the Krishna Satya Yuga, Brahmaji, he also came here in this place and he performed hard austerities. And this place is called, also I told, what is the name of this place? Would you remember?
Brahmagiri Parvat.
Alalnath. We have come, this place is called Alalnath. Actually, this is the South Indian language, Tamil or Dravid language. India, there are many languages, many provinces and many also language. Dravid language, Tamil language, they are called Alal. Alal means, and actual Alal, these are the origin mean Albar. Or the perfect words, that is called Albar. Then people cannot pronunciation perfect way, then Albar, Alal, then saying the Alal. Understand? Maybe you will halal and Muslim they are halal. Actual origin they say Albar Nath. Albar means, and after those who are the eternal associate of Lord. That's called Bhagavat Parshad. You understand? And Alvar means those who are very eternal associate of Lord. That is Bhagavad Parshad. And Haribol, Bhagavad Parshad. Follow Srila Gurudev ki Jai. Bhagavad Parshad, the eternal associate of Lord. Just we are using this word that is called Guru Padma. Who is Guru? Guru is called the very dearest of Lord. Krishna. Saksa Doritreno Samastra Sastri Rukta Tatava Bhakayeva Sadini Kintu Prabhurja Priyaeva Tasya Bande Guru Charanaravindam Bande Guru Charanaravindam Bande Guru Charanaravindam. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad very nicely explained. Guru Padma is called eternal aspect of Krishna. Not only Krishna. Guru Padma is very near dear Sakita Srimati Radha. Nikunja Juno Rotike Nisiddhi Jajani Yukti Ramesaniya Tatradi Daksha Ativallavasa Bande Guru Sri Charanaravindam Bande Guru Sri Charanaravindam Bande Guru Sri Charanaravindam. That means, who is Guru Padma? That is called Gurudev. He is the nearest Sakhi of Srimati Radha. So in our Gaudiya tradition there is called Guru Rupa Manjari Dhyan. You can meditate. Gurudev is the Manjari. So in South India, this is the tradition is going on that is called Alvar. You clear? Understand? Alvar means
The eternal associate
eternal associate of
Lord.
Lord. Bhagavad Pasha. Just we are explaining about Guru. Guru is also very associate.
Eternal associate
Eternal associate of Srimati Radhika. Radhika's Nitya Sakhi. Krishna Chodo. Krishna is Radhika. And we have no need to relationship with Krishna. And when you go to why to worship Lord Krishna. Because Srimati Radhika, she loves Krishna. For this regard, we love Krishna. And Odisha, Nagadev, Madhvachandra, Brajavanasari, Raghunath Das Goswami, in Manasiksha explained, we have no direct relationship with Krishna. This is true. Manjari, they never direct meet with Krishna. Because they are one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Radha Brahman. They are heart and soul Srimati Radhika. Amito Radhikar Dasi. Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this song explained, I am the maidservant of Srimati Radhika. Understand? There are three types of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. One is called Krishna Bhakta Sakhis. Some Sakhis, they are intense towards Krishna. As the Vrinda, Vindarika, Dhanishta, they serve Radha Srimati Radhika very nicely. Without Vrinda Devi, not possible to manifest Srimati Radhika's Nisanta Leela. End of night, this is the function of
Vrinda Devi.
Vrinda Devi. Vrinda Devi's role is prominent role. But Vrinda Devi is her intense towards
Krishna.
Krishna. Krishna Paksha. And another topic that is called Ubhay Paksha. Ubhay Paksha means both. They love Srimati Radhika and they love Krishna. A little bit intense towards Srimati Radhika. But our Shastra says they are Ubhay Paksha. They both. Ubhay means both. They love Radha and Krishna. That is called Ashtasati, Durita, Visakha, Sudini, Namdadevi. This Ashtasati. And another kinds of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they are called Radha Bhuksha Gopi. Radha Nishtha Gopi. Nishtha means fixed. They never running here and there.
There always is one running the footsteps of Srimati Radhika. Their intent, they are always is one point. They are as like the shadow of Srimati Radhika. And if you walk, they are your shadow
Follow you.
follow you. One step, not going here and there. Do you understand? Brinda, Vrindanika, Lulita, Visakha, they are step going something here and there. But those who are the Manjaris, they are step only, footstep is only
Following Srimati.
following Srimati Radhika. This is very important. Maybe you not understand, you are baby, one day understand. Baby does not understand. One day you understand what is the meaning of Manjari Bhav. Manjari Bhav means only one pointed with Srimati Radhika, not going here and there. Even in Sadhaka Dasa, if you one pointed, they will achieve your perfection goal. Nishtha hoite upajay premera taranga. Nishtha hoite upajay premera taranga. Premadas kaya. When you nishtha, the waves of praise, love will manifest in your heart. This is the process. Manjari Bhav means this. Only one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Sometimes Krishna wants to meet with Manjaris, but Manjaris say no. Understand this? No. As like the Gurudev explained, as like the twins of the Kripas. You know, twins of the Kripas?
Twine.
Twine the
of the creeper.
Kripas. Twin Kripas going this way, this way. When Krishna coming, then go this way. Understand? Don't touch my body, Harile Rashiyama. Understand? There are people also singing this way. Krishna tried to touch the body of Manjari, but Manjari, hey! You are looking, my Samani is there. And especially Lalita Devi sees or is guarding here. And if Krishna will come to meet with, but touch the body of Manjari, then Lalita Devi, she just and hey! So, Lalita Devi sees very strict. For this regard, Lalita Devi she is called Prakhara. Prakhara means very talkative. And cut the argument of Krishna. And chastisement. This is. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur also glorified to Lalita Devi. Lalita. What is song? Palladasi kari Lalita Sundari Amare loiya kabe Sri Radhika pade kale nilaibe Akase basamar pibe Akase basamar pibe Akase basamar pibe Amare loiya kabe Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Jaivadhamma very clearly explained those are very, very extreme, I cannot use this word, extreme fortune living entities. They will come in the group of Lalita Sakhi. There are many groups are there. Lalita's group, Visakha's group, gone, Lalita gone. God means group. Visakha's group. Indulekha group, what is called? Ramla Devi, Sundari, 8 Sukis, 8 groups are there. But those are very extreme fortune limited. They will come in the group of Lalita Sakhi. But why? Lalita Devi is very talkative. And she protects to the everybody. Especially in Mandiris. Mandir they are very soft. And they are always a servicing mood. Servicing. But their mind always remembering Srimati Radhika. Radhika. Therefore, this regard they are called Palladasi. There are 11 moods are there. Naam, root, name, beauty, root, qualities, Akta Seva. Ajna Seva means is what? Ajna Seva means one that's giving the order. And this type service. And Lalita Devi, she is the chief commander for the service. And Lalita Devi, she is very powerful. And her finger always this way. Hey, do this, do this. Even she also chastisement to Srimati Radhika. Dhurte Vajendra Taneva Taru Sustum Pamma. Chastisement this finger. And Lalita Devi always this way. And some people also want. When speaking, that finger is always this way. Hey, do this, do this. Lalita Devi is this way. And Dhurte Vajendra Taneva Taru Sustum Pamma. Madakshana Bhava Kalankini. Lagumaya. Srimati Radhika, Lalita Devi is also chastisement to Srimati Radhika. Hey Radhe, don't give up your Sankimut man. Krishna again and again go down his forehead, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika and holding ears. Again I will not do this. And holding 2 ears and up down. In our school, if any student not properly doing any text, homework, then teacher told, okay, hold your 2 ears and 100 times. Up. This is our school's punishment. Or you stand up on the bench and hold this. In the same way, Krishna again and again hold his ears and up and down and crying, again I will not do this. But Srimati Radhika's hand is very soft. She can't tolerate that this type of Krishna activities. But Lalita Devi is chastisement. Dhurte Vajendra Taneva Taru Sustum Pamma Ma Dakshina Kalankini Laghavai. Hey Radhe, Krishna is very cunning. Dhurt, kapat.
Cheating.
Very cheater person, he is cheating. Because cheater person for his own purpose can do everything. Cheater person that externally shedding tears. Actually big cheater. Understand? For this regard, what do you listen? When you speak, don't. So cheater person, Srimati Radhika, Lalita Devi she told, this is the activity of cheater. Big cheater. So don't you give up your man. You have to keep your Bhamma Bhav, Sankimut. This one. Why? Because Lalita Devi, she is the group commander, group leader. And especially she protects the Manjaris. This is very important. So he is saying, for this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur sang this song. By the cosmos mercy of Lalita Devi, they will attain the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she will give Ajna Seva. 11 moods are there. Panchadasa, 5 stages and 11 moods are there. Ekadasa bhav. Panchadasa, Sravandasa, Smarandasa, Apandasa, Bhavandasa and Prem Sampatti Dasa. What I am speaking, you can read my book, which book? Jewels of the Heart. Everything I elaborately explain this way. Very nice, you can read again and again. The Manjari Bhav is there. The Manjari Bhav is very, very rare. Durlabh, not easy. But if take certain lotus feet of Lalita Devi, Lalita Devi will offer to lotus Srimati Radhika. If anybody thinking just, I want to become the maid servant Srimati Radhika, then Lalita Devi catch him and take in his own group and offer to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. For the Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying, Lalita Sakhira Ajaka Kinkori Vinodo Dhori Chepayo Lalita Sakhira Ajoka Kinkori Vinodo Dhori Thakur very humble, singing this song. I'm fallen, unqualified. But if Lolita Devi accept her group, then I can serve the Buddha spirit of Srimati Radhika. So now coming to this age, we have come this place. This is called Ala Nath. That is actual, what is the original name? Alvar Nath. Or Nath means that the master of the Alvar. Alvar means those are eternal associates of Lord. They are master. That means Lord Krishna himself. But they worship, especially in the tradition, they worship Vishnu, four-handed Vishnu. Actually, who is he? Krishna. Krishna manifested in the form of Lord Vishnu. Lord is one. Ekameva Advitiyam. And one without second. But according to the rasas of different entities, I manifested different forms. Because that time their mood is called Oisarja mood, opulence mood. But Lord Krishna manifested in the form of Lord Narayan Sankha Chakra Gada Padma. Very nice. So, here this place, Alvar is actually, here is some people they came from Dravid and they also live here and they worship their deities. You have seen Narayan. And inside of the deities, that is called Alvar Lord, Narayan Sankha Chakra Gada. That many sweet pastimes is here, legend. Legend is here, and King Balan, legend is here. One katha is very nice, very beautiful katha. One Brahmana, he worships this Thakurji, and according to their, what is called? Coming the
Tradition.
no. पालाकर कहते हैं ना, ये 2 दिन पहले, according to their
बताएं, हिंदी में बताएं।
जैसे पूजा करते हैं ना, जैसे उठे 2 दिन पूजा होती है, इसके 2 दिन पूजा
Wow.
No, according to their what is that?
Tradition.
Calendar.
No, you have 4 brothers. So one brother serve 2 days, another brother serve 2 days.
Rota.
Schedule.
In the same way, there are many in their dynasties people, they worship to Thakurji according to the schedule. That Brahmana, he worship this Thakurji. But that day Brahman, he went out far away somewhere. Then his wife prepared preparation for Thakurji. Then she told her 5 years old one boy, son, listen, your father is not today in the house, your father has gone somewhere. So you can also offer this plate to Thakurji. This is called Alvar Nath Lord Narayan. That's why he told Mom, I don't know how to offer it. Even I have no Brahman secretary. No Govind. I have no secretary. Diksha mantra. No Gayatri mantra. I don't know how to offer it. Then mother told my brother, my son, don't worry. Just you put this plate in front of Thakurji and simply you can tell to Thakurji, here Thakurji, please, you eat this and put stuff. It's simple. No need to chant any mantra, nothing. That simple boy, only 5 years old, he brought the food stuff and offered in front of the Thakurji. Then Thakurji came down from the Sinhasana and Thakurji ate everything. Then that boy, he was playing with his friends. He directs saw Thakurji ate all the foodstuffs from the plate. So he thinking this is offering. Then he is playing. After 1 hour, after 1 and 2 hours, mother calls, hey, what is the plate? Then prasad. Prasad? What is the prasad? And you offer Thakurji, your father every day, and
Remnant.
Bring back.
Bring back.
return back the plate prasad. You told me offer to Thakurji, and Thakurji ate everything. Then the mother told how possible. Every day your father ate. But no. Then mother, she told, maybe my naughty boy, restless boy, and he did not properly close the door of the temple. Maybe cat or other animals enter and ate also. Then mother, she entered the temple, saw the plate is placed there, but no prasad, completely what? Meat and plain. In this way, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, that boy, he offered. But Thakurji ate everything. Then one day mother said, maybe you ate everything. And just time, taking one stick, and honestly tell me. Then mom, I offered, I saw that Thakurji came down from the Singhasan and he ate everything. Then after 5 days, Brahmana, he returned back from his job. Then the wife of Brahmana, she told all this story. My son offered Thakurji and Thakurji ate everything. Brahman told, how possible? I am Brahman. I am every day chanting Brahma Gayatri. How many times? 3 times. And morning, midday and evening. But my small boy, 5 years old, he has no Brahman thread. And even he does not know the proper pronunciation of any mantra. So how possible Thakur accepted his offering? But wife Brahmani, she told, no, my son, he told, true. I decided, and I also made fear to him. But that boy told, no, mom. Thakurji direct came down from the Singhasan and ate everything. Then Brahman told, okay, I will take this. Till today, my son, I went out somewhere. So maybe son will be offered Thakurji, then I will be hide behind the Thakurji. I will see how Thakurji eating or not, or my son is eating. And then Brahmanishi prepared many kinds of preparation for Thakurji and told her son, hey, today your father went out somewhere, you can offer. That small boy, again he brought the food stuff, plate in front of Thakurji. And the boy, he called Thakurji, please come and take prasad, I don't know any mantra. My mother told me just you offer and Thakurji, take prasad. Thakurji to khali. Bas. 2 times, 3 times the boy, small boy, please come and take prasadam. But Thakurji not coming. Then Brahman, that boy, small boy, he hold the hand of Thakurji. But today Thakurji is very heavy. Not also hard, not easy to move. First, second day, third day, 5 days, Thakurji ate prasad, just calling and Thakurji coming down. And today Thakurji not moving. Very heavy. Stomping. Then that boy start to cry, Thakurji, why you are angry with me? 5 days, I gave you prasad, you ate everything. But today you are why not coming? Why you are angry with me? If you not eat everything, then my mother will bitterly beat me. Still Thakurji not speaking, not anything. Then the boy, small boy, he's crying, Thakurji, please come, take prasadam. Ajao, khalu. But Thakurji not speaking anything. Then he's crying, hey Thakurji, if you not take prasad, then my mother will bitterly beat me. Then Thakurji told, start to speak, Thakurji, Vigraha, this Vigraha. Thakurji told, listen,
You are very simple, Sarah. For this regard, I accept all your offering. Without mantra, bhavagrahi janardanam. Lord accepts everything according your simple mood. यदि आपके भाव सच्चे हो तो भगवान मंत्र बिना भी ग्रहण कर लेते हैं. मंत्र जप करने की जरूरत नहीं होता. कहते गुरुदेव इस मंत्र का अर्थ बताओ. मुझे तो मंत्र का अर्थ पता ही नहीं है. दीक्षा तो दे दिया, मंत्र तो अर्थ नहीं बताया. अरे मंत्र अर्थ की जरूरत नहीं है मूर्ख. मंत्र क्या है? स्वतःस्फूर्त. नो नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ मंत्र. मंत्र के अर्थ जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. मंत्र that is self manifested in your heart. Given Bhagavad Sanatana Goswami Pada explained, knowingly and unknowingly, if you touch the fire with your hand, then your hand will be burned or not. In the same way, mantra. You know the meaning of mantra, you don't know meaning of the mantra, mantra will manifest in your heart. This is the Jatha Agad Raja Iba. Agad Raja Iba means as like the nectar. Agad Raja means nectar. Sanskrit. Knowingly, unknowingly, if you drink the nectar, you will become immortal, Amar. Knowingly, unknowingly, if you drink the poison, you will be die. Simple. If you know, no, I did not know that was poison. You will die or not? You will become sick. In the same way, if you know the meaning of a mantra, you don't know meaning of the mantra, don't worry. And Gopkumar, when he received this mantra from his guru, Jayanta, remember, what is the name of guru of Jayanta, Gopkumar? Jayanta. I told already. That time Jayanta, his Gurudev, did not explain the meaning of the mantra. No, he did not explain how the chant of the mantra also. Gopal mantra. Same mantra we are chanting. So don't worry. You know the meaning of the mantra, you don't know the meaning of mantra. Mantra is called self-manifested. And this is another thing, very simple. If you are very simple, Lord will accept your offering. And look this boy, he did not know any mantra. Just he told, my mother told, offer, Thakurji, you come and take. Thakurji told. Today, not today, Thakurji told, hey Brahman boy, listen, I accepted all your offering, this is true, but today your father, where is your father? Behind me, because your father had no faith, though he is Brahmana, and chanting three times Gayatri mantra, but he has no faith with me. I am Sachidananda Vigraha. And Isara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. And Vigraha means Sachidananda Vigraha. But your father has no this faith. Yeah, I am accepting this thing. This is. But you are actual, who is real Brahman? You are real Brahman. Who is real Brahman? Who is simple. Simplicity is called the Brahmanism, or pure Brahmanism is called the Vaishnavism. जो सरल हो जाता है उसी के ब्राह्मण कहा जाता है, और जो ब्राह्मण होता है वही होता है वैष्णव बनता है. पहले समझिए, सरल ब्राह्मण होने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? बोलो, सरल होने पड़ेगा. If you want to become Brahmana, you have to become simple. Or if you perfect simple, then you are Brahman. You are perfect Brahman, then you are perfect. Then you become perfect Vaishnava. This is the process. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada explained. Give up all kinds of duplicity, hypocrisy. छल कपट का त्याग देना, ये भी बहुत कठिन होता है. छल कपट का त्याग देना बहुत कठिन होता है. छल कपट को त्याग दो. सरल होइले गोड़ार विचार बुझिया नहीं. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, if you become simple, then you can understand all the conception of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. महाप्रभु के सारे विचार को अपना विश्व समझ में आ जाएगा. और यदि छल कपट करते रहो, हजारों साल तक भजन भी करते रहे, कुछ भी करते रहे, आपके समझ में कभी काले कभी आपके समझ में नहीं आ रहा. You have to become सिंपल। छोड़ दो सब कपट, जो कपट करते हैं उसके संग मत करो, है? ये भी विचार के विषय है। कुछ cheater, don't associate with hypocrites. So this is your Thakurji. Thakurji told, hey Brahman boy, you are very simple. For this regard I accepted all your offering. But your father has no faith. For this regard I don't turn. But still the boy told, please Thakurji come here. Then Thakurji stepped. If Thakurji came down from the Singhasan and started to eat. 1-2 times eat. Then the Brahman, he came out. In front of Thakurji. Thakurji, if you eat everything, what will you eat? Huh? Then Thakurji become very angry and stupid, nonsense, Brahmana. Are isavasya sarvamidam jatkinchan jagatang jagat tena tapta bhunjita ma grittakasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to me. I am eating, or you think what me? Stupid nonsense. Then Lord also there. You have to, I am giving curse. Except your son, all your done should be destroyed. So try to understand this way. For this regard, this is the story of Alvarnath Katha. This way. Another is that there was one Magyar Brahmana. Magyar, understand? Magyar, Konjusa. Konjus samajhte Magyar. Magyar means he had lot of wealth of money. He did not spend one penny for himself and never he give donation to anyone. Understand? That is called Magyar. Lot of wealth of money, but he did not give one donation to anyone. Just you hold his one coin, his hand. One day I stole this thing. Yes. Okay, I give the donation to Thakurji. Then he had very then his hand full of sweat. Then he opened, then coin is crying. The coin don't cry. Don't cry. I will not give to anyone. Then again he put his pocket. This is the major person. Long story, just I told you, many times I told this story. So that Brahmana, one day he came Harikatha, one sadhu. Sadhu explained how to serve Thakurji and everything. If you are not served Thakurji, your life is useless. And only eating, sleeping, defending and meeting life is useless. But serve Thakurji. That time, after Harikatha, that major person, he came in front of the sadhu. He asked Thakurji, he asked the sadhu, listen, I want to worship Thakurji, but I don't want spend any penny for Thakurji, one. Have you any process to serve Thakurji? Then sadhu told, okay, so you can buy one deities. Oh my God, if I buy deities, also spend money or not? Huh? If you buy the deities of Thakurji, spend money or not? How much? Maybe 5,000 metal deities. No, I don't want to buy anything. That means I don't want to spend one penny for anyone. That time sadhu told, okay, I will give one. What will do? Okay, you can worship Thakurji with your mind. Manasik seva. Rupa Goswami Pad explained, Manasik, this is the best service. No need to cook. If you go cook, then many hours. Management, this way, buying the sabji from the market, cooking, this need, gas cylinder need, many things. We are many things also doing this. Okay, this is the best service. What is the best service? Manasik seva. What is the Manasik seva? Okay, when you wake up early in the morning, after taking bath, then you sit one asana. Then you think, oh, my deity is very nice, beautiful. How is beautiful? Varaha Pidam Natabrakopu Karnakarnikaram Vibrodavaso Kanaka Visang Vajantamalam Randran Venodada Sudaya Puranagopa Vrindai Vindaram Sabadaramanam Pravisadakiti Kirti. Krishna is very nice, beautiful, dancing pose, sevenfold. Tribangalur. Just to meditate and Srimati Radhika and Gopija. It's very simple. No need to buy one photo. Also, if you buy the photo, also pay money or not?
Yes.
And in this material world, you cannot get anything free. You have to buy. Get one, buy one, get one, free one.
Free one.
But free one, not one give to you. Buy one. 100% true. Isn't it? And businessman, people are saying, buy one, get one, or free one. Actually, they are not giving free one. They do it. So you think I will not so photo, no. Okay, in your mind, just you meditate. The Krishna is very nice, beautiful, sevenfold, and playing flute. Very nice. I think okay. So wake up early in the morning and meditate. Then you can dress Thakurji, very nice, beautiful dress cloth every day. You can change Thakurji dress cloth and pink color, very nice, beautiful, and put in the very nice, beautiful. By mind, don't need to spend one, no need to go to the market. If you don't go market, road jam. Road jam, understand?
Traffic jam.
Traffic jam. Very difficult also. Understand? Very traffic. So traffic jam.
No parking space.
No parking space. You must also parking space.
You have to pay for parking.
Pay for parking. England also. So I think this is very good. No need to go market. Just your mind. Oh, I am buying some very nice, beautiful silken cloth for Thakurji, and very quickly do this and dress Thakurji. Very nice. After Thakurji bathing and dressing Thakurji, then what will do? You offer some food stuff. What is the best food for Thakurji?
Ghee.
Butter. Thakurji, one name is called. He likes butter. For this regard, in our Gaudiya month, and after Mangalarti, and you have to offer butter. This is the process also. In Devananda Gaudiya month, I remember when I was the Pujari. 1 year I was the Pujari of Devananda Gaudiya month. Then my uncle every day told, you have to offer every day makhan, butter. Thakurji likes. Okay. Then in his mind, just he is bringing the butter from the market. No problem. Then one day he's thinking, oh, every day in my mind go to the market and buying the butter. Okay, it is better. I can one day can buy the butter maybe 1 kilo butter. Half kilo today I will offer and half kilo I will tomorrow. So in his mind, just he take Thakurji, take butter, then dropping butter, melted, then all 1 kilo butter on the plate of Thakurji. Oh my God! What happened? Again tomorrow I will go. No, he's taking the butter. Then Thakurji directly, what is him? Hey! Only my name is Makhancho. Second person not in this material world, second in concept world, Makhancho. My name is Makhancho. What do you mean Makhancho?
Only I can steal butter.
Butter thief. This is my name. You cannot steal. Understand? I am thief. So you cannot steal from me. Understand? Then Thakurji smiled. Then you open his eyes. Thakurji direct manifested in front of him and taking the butter and butter also smeared on his lips. So in this way, the vocational path, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also explains two kinds of service. One is called physical service, to serve Thakurji Archan, and another Archan that is called Manasik Seva. If you do Archan Thakurji, first you in your mind worship Thakurji, that is called Manasik Seva. Then another service that is called physical, do Archan
idam atmanam Kesavaya Namo, idam atmanam Madhavaya Namo, Narayana Namo. And another song is Manasik. Just you sit, close your eyes, then start to shake. Very quick. Manasik song. Once one Brahmana. They have a very nice, beautiful story. Then I explain. Their house is very beautiful. That's one Brahmana. And he also cooked sweet rice. Very high class Brahmana. He cooked some sweet rice. And then he's thinking in his mind, not the physical. And he prepared very nice sweet rice. And then he's thinking, this sweet rice very hot or not? If thinking very hot, then maybe Thakurji will not accept. So for this regard, just he meditate to Thakurji and prepare the sweet rice. And then he is offering, then he thinking this sweet rice, first offering. Then figure maybe this is very hot, should not offer. Then he put his finger inside the sweet rice. And then he then his hand burned. And then in Vaikuntha, Lord Vishnu smiled. Then Lakshmi Devi asked, "Oh my husband, why you are smiling?" Nobody has. That time Lord Vishnu told, "Listen, Lakshmi Devi, in this material world, one Brahmana, just his mind, she prepared the sweet rice and offered my deities, Vigraha. That Vigraha is not given from me. She offered the hot sweet rice and one drop. When the Brahmana offered, then I ate, then my lips little bit burned, and still also my finger burned. Here Brahman finger burned and Thakurji's finger also burned. And one should drop, sweet rice drop in his chest. So this is the burn. And have you seen?
No.
In the Thakurji inside, Thakurji this finger. One finger burned. And also little bit burned in the corner of the lips. Yeah. And another also.
They did not take us Maharaj inside, so we didn't see anything.
And also little bit burned spot in his chest. Then Lakshmi Devi, she told, how possible if anybody offered to you in his mind and you let body, yes. Oh, then Lakshmi Devi, she told, I have to see your highest devotee. Then in the Lord Narayan and Lakshmi Devi came here and he saw this thing. This Vigraha is translated. Saprati all in the Isvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. This Vigraha is translated and Vigraha is Bhakta Bhagavan. How is this thing? So try to understand this thing. So this Thakurji is called also Lord of Alvar, Alalnath. Now coming, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela Katha, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's sannyas, and he came Jagannath Puri. Mahaprabhu, he was staying in this material world 48 years. 24 years he performed his household Leela, that is Rahasya Leela. At last 12 years he performed his sannyas Leela. So after taking sannyas, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in this Jagannath Puri, and first 6 years he traveled South India, Bengal, Vrindavan this way, Kani and going this way. And then last 12 years he was continuing staying in Jagannath Puri. Then his last 12 years only he was staying in Gambhira, and always absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. Lord Chaitanya was thinking, I am Radha. Now my beloved Krishna left me. He went Vrindavan. Mahaprabhu. Mathura. My beloved Krishna, he left me, he went Mathura. Mathura Viraha, separation. And Lord Chaitanya was crying day and night. Kahamar pranad murali badal, kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajendranandan, kahari kahiba dukha, ki jane mor dukh, Brajendranandan bina phate mor dukh. Mahaprabhu told, where will you go? Where will you find out my beloved Krishna? How can I express my heart? Who can realize my heart? No one. In this way, day and night, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was crying and sitting there. That time, only 2 persons were staying with him. Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda. Rai Ramananda and Sarup Damodar pacified to him, singing the Kirtan song of Vidyapati and Chandika. Sadri Chikundwar Anantabu Chiradin Madhava Mandiru. Srimati Radhika, she told, okay, I can't express my heart. Then after a long separation, I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. Achara Bhariya Jadi Mani Papai Tabuham Piyare Dura Desena Pathai Sitero Oroni Piya Borisere Cha. Vidyapati, he wrote this song, very nice, beautiful song. After long separation, Srimati Radhika went stay with her beloved Krishna. Then one Sakhi of Srimati Radhika, she told, hey Radhe, what are you feeling with your beloved Krishna Govinda? Then Srimati Radhika, she told, Kikaiva Sakhi Ananda Or, how can I express my happiness to meeting with my beloved Govinda? Sitero Orani Priya. In the winter season, what do you want?
Warm
Blanket. You also, if you had cold, England, very cold, or Siberia, -20. You have one blanket and wrap your body. I tell, hey, give me your blanket. Will you give to me? No. Because I will die. Chacha apan bacha. First, live and let live. First, this is called English term. This is called live and let live. पहले बचो दूसरे के बचाओ. ये बताएं. बोले no, I will not give this blanket to you. If I give blanket to you, then I will die. So funny. In the same way, Srimati Radhika she told. Srimati Krishna is now as light blanket and completely tied to him in my chest. And no what's going to go out from him. Tied. Don't out Govinda. Don't out go out from my heart. So Sitero Oroni Priya and Varisarchi. In the rainy season, umbrella. We like this. This is a song in Indian. Or this sometimes also in this separation mood, Srimati Radhika, she's thinking how to meet with Krishna. Maybe someone told, oh Krishna is coming in your kunja. Return back to Mathura to Vrindavan. Then Srimati Radhika she told, Viraha jara jare mantara, Sakire tora kunja sajaure, Sakire tora kunja sajaure, Bolo asite pare, Amar prana priya re, Saki tora kunja sajaure, Saki tora kunja sajaure, asite pare, Amar prana priya re, Bekitanto hidaye, asite pare, Amar prana priya re, Saki tora kunja sajaure. Very nice to do this song. Srimati Radhika, even in her separation mood, when she heard this Krishna is coming from Mathura to Vrindavan, someone told, your beloved Krishna is coming. When Srimati Radhika heard this thing, then Srimati Radhika, she told, though I am feeling separation, Vyatita Hidaya Jarjara, Krishna Vyatita Jarjara Hidaya Antare, so I am feeling separation from my beloved Krishna. Hey, Sakhis, you have to decorate very nice, decorate the kunja with the flowers, with the petals of the flowers. Tahate chitiya do, Aguru Chandan. And he would give the Aguru and Chandan. That means Chandan. Aguru understand? Aguru जानते हो? One kind of perfume, liquid perfume. That only you can buy in Navadvip. I think you cannot buy anywhere. And Aguru, one kind of liquid perfume. Very nice. So she has Srimati Radhika, तुम्हारा चिट्ठी लाओ Aguru Chandan. और कुंज सजाओ. And you also decorate the kunja as like your Lord. And in the separation. In the same mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when he was staying in Jagannath Puri. But after Das Prabhuji also explained, Maharaj Dandavad. Then after long separation, Srimati Radhika is after long separation, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was kind staying in this place. After Snana Jatra, that is called public bathing festival, that is called Snana Jatra. And Lord Jagannath, too much taking bath, then he is become sick. And too much also nose running. English word. What is saying?
Nose running.
Nose running. How person nose running? But very cold. Sick. And then 2 weeks Thakurji resting and completely what? Closed door. No one giving darshan. That time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt from separation of Lord Jagannath. And that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left Jagannath Puri and he used to come this place, Alalnath. And here Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu staying here. But when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here, there Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood as separation of Srimati Radhika. And you cannot imagine. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, oh, that is my beloved Krishna. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu lay down on the stone. Then stone completely melted. And you have seen the 8 spots are there. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's 2, what is called? Knees. Pardon? 8 marks. And on the melted of the stone, we have seen this. There's 2 knees, chest, arms, and forehead, and also 2 knees. You have seen there. Yeah. Even the mountain, even the stone also. Why? It's called Viraha. And this is how is the heat of the Viraha? Viraha, Agni. And the fire of the separation is coming from this side. So many kathas is there. Now 10 o'clock we have to take breakfast, then we'll go another place. Maybe night time we will be also glorified more Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is the highest mode, this form of Prasad. And transcendental madness. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Dipon Prasad as the same mode of Srimati Radhika. Radhika Bhav Jechi Uddhava Darshane, same mother, Prabhu, Rahim, Ratri Dine. When Uddhav came in Vrindavan, Uddhav he saw Srimati Radhika's transcendental madness, Dipon Prasad. And Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad, only 10 slokas he described about Srimati Radhika transcendental madness. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was staying in Jagannath Puri, continued 12 years. Yes? Could you imagine? What kinds of Srimati Radhika, this types of transcendental madness, who can glorify? Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita very nicely and elaborately explained Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's these types of transcendental madness. Yesterday I told something about in Gambhira, how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cried and feeling separation for Krishna. Bolo Sajanatna Gaur Hari Ki Jai. Bolo Govinda Bala Hari Gopala Govinda. Hari Now